What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick video to finish off the RETrax installation. If you haven't seen the video, I'm going to put the link in the description below, so check that out. It's installing this RETrax cover. What I didn't go over was the drainage system for this, and it's very important that you install the drainage. If you don't, you will get water in the bed. So let me explain what I'm talking about. Let's open this guy up. I'm going to slide him down. Alright, and if you're not familiar with the Ford 2021 XLT, has the option of, that's right, automatic tailgate release from the fob, key fob, or whatever you want to call it. Now, if you look, the RETrax has the storage unit where the track actually rolls into. All right, that's that black thing right there hanging from the top of the bed into the bed itself. Takes up some space. Then you'll see the drainage lines there. Those drain lines are connected to the bottom. And the reason they're there is because when it rains, the water collects on top of this cover. It goes into that storage unit where the thing actually retracts. And the water will find its way in, so they have drain holes. And it's very important you put those drain tubes through either drain plugs, and I'm going to go through that with this F-150. And if you don't have these, sometimes you have to actually drill a hole into the bed itself to get these tubes through. So let's go through it. Let me get up in here and we'll take a look. All right, in the F-150, you'll see that round piece right there. That's one of the drain plugs. And what you're going to need are a few basic tools. You're going to need a screwdriver to pry that thing open. You're going to need a couple of drill bits, and you're going to need a quick tape measure just to measure the diameter of the tube. What I did, because this bed came with a spray-on bed liner cover, and if you could see it sprayed on too, I went on to Amazon and I purchased a couple of replacements, hard plastic, and I'm going to use these to drill the holes in, so I'm not going to mess up the stock one that comes with the truck. So if one day I want to get rid of this cover, I'll throw these out with it or give it to the next person if they need the plugs, and I can reinstall the stocked ones, make it look nicer. These were about $9 a piece. If you're interested in the part, that is the part number, all right, for these plugs. So let's get to it. All right, so you got yourself the plug there. You're going to get yourself a flathead screwdriver. All right. You're just going to go to the edge. You're going to go easy. You're going to go into the corner, and you're going to try to pry this thing open. All right. Some of the spray is on there. So you want to go easy. You just want to take it off, just like that. All right, you can see it spray coated. You can see it spray coated. It's got a little bit of a rubber washer, and I'm going to keep this. I'm going to take this one. This is going to be the replacement piece. You can see the difference between the replacement and the one that came with the truck. So what you want to do now is you're going to take this tube, you're going to get the measurements, the diameter of that, or you have two different ways to drill this. You can use a regular drill bit, or you could use a spade bit. You can come over here with a spade bit, and if you're not familiar with what a spade bit is, it's one of these guys. Now you can literally line it up like this. This is a 3/4 inch, and it's too big. So we're going to go down. Right here is a 1/2 inch, and it looks like it just fits perfect. You don't want it, if you could see here, that 1/2 inch is perfect. You don't want the bit too big, and you don't want it too small, just enough so this is snug when you stick it in, and it's nice and snug to keep the water out. You can put silicone around it at the end if your hole is too big, and I'll show you that real quick when we finish. But that's it. Now we're going to go with the 1/2 inch. We're going to go with the 1/2 inch, and we're going to take this, and if you have a vise, I'm going to show you what we do next. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm back in the workshop, my trailer. Haven't been here in a while. It's a beautiful day today. You could put this on the ground if you want. I mean, you can drill it right into a piece of plywood if you want. It's up to you. But if you have a vise, put it in your vise. Make sure it's sturdy. We're going to go for the middle. We're going to want to put a hole right in the middle of this thing. So you're going to grab your drill. I'm going to use my impact because it's got the quick connect here. And you're going to go really slow just to get the tip started. You want to kind of get it right in the middle. All right? And you want to go easy and let the threads of the spade bit start, and then you can go through. See, as you can see, it started. I don't know if you can see it from that angle. Let me see if I could bring this over here. You want to go nice and easy. Let me back it up so you can see. There's threads on the tip of that. Let the thread start into the plastic, and then you start letting the blade cut. You start letting the blades cut. All the way through. Simple as that. Okay, so you have your hole. You're going to clean all that excess plastic out. Make it nice and smooth around the edges. And we'll bring it back to the truck and we'll fit that hose in. We're going to stick about 3 inches of that hose at least into this so it's pointing down. And we're going to pop these back into place. Pretty basic. So let's get over to the truck and see how we make out. All right, now that we're back at the truck, let me set this up real quick. Okay. Drill the holes. You can see I used a razor knife just to bore it out a little bit, get those edges as clean as possible. And you're just going to take your hose and you're going to fit it inside the hole here. As you can see, just like this. And you're going to feed at least 3 to 4 inches because you want the hose to go in and point down when this thing snaps into place. The hose is in, it snaps back into place. If you want, you can run some clear silicone or black silicone around where the tube and the plastic meet, but that's a nice tight fit. And like I said, run that pipe, that tube at least 4 inches on the back side. Make sure it's running down. So let's finish this and we're all set. So that's it. We got one over there. And you can twist that top part to make sure it's all nice and it's not kinked. And we got another one over there. So every time it rains, it'll collect into the front box, which when I say box is this thing here that holds the actual top in. Sorry about the glare. It will collect water, and those drain lines, the drain lines will make sure that water exits the proper way. In the winter time, you want to make sure those things aren't clogged. Sometimes they freeze up, and then you won't be able to open or close this thing, you know, if you're in a colder climate. That's one thing to keep in mind with these RETraxes in colder weather. But that's it. That's the quick video on how to install the drain lines from a RETrax bed cover. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If this video helped you out at all, give me a thumbs up and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny! Sonny? Where are you, Sonny?
Yeah, Sonny.
Yo, Sonny!
Yo, Sonny. Sonny? Down there? No? Down here? Sonny?